Boeing 737 MAX 10 takes a significant step forward as the FAA Greenlights certification flight tests, marking a pivotal moment for the jet's return. With approval granted, Boeing gears up to demonstrate the MAX 10's safety enhancements and performance, a crucial milestone after past grounding concerns. The move signals a potential revival for Boeing's MAX series after extensive safety modifications. Boeing's upcoming 737 MAX 10 is the largest of the single-aisle jet family and will compete with Airbus's A321neo. According to the manufacturer, the next-generation jet offers the lowest cost per seat of any single-aisle airplane, making it attractive for airlines looking for high-density narrow-bodies that can replace costly wide-bodies on long-haul routes, especially between low-demand city pairs. Carriers like United Airlines and Delta Airlines have placed orders for this stretch jet, which can accommodate up to 230 people. Boeing said on Wednesday that the U.S. aviation regulator has cleared it to begin certification flight testing of its 737 MAX 10, the largest version of its best-selling jet aimed at seizing the top of the narrow-body market. Boeing shares rose 1.1% in midday trade. The Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) confirmed that it has granted type inspection authorization for the 737 MAX 10. Type inspection authorization is typically associated with the kickoff of the certification process, made after the FAA has examined technical data. The milestone allows FAA pilots to participate in flight testing needed to certify the plane for normal operations, 3 Boeing executives wrote in a letter to employees on Wednesday. This is a significant milestone as we work to get the 737-10, the largest airplane in the 737 MAX family, certified to enter passenger service with operators around the world. Mike Fleming, Boeing Senior Vice President for Development Programs, 737 Program Head at Clark and Testing Lead Wayne Tigert, wrote in the letter. The 737 MAX 10 is Boeing's answer to the A321neo made by European rival Airbus AIR.PA, which has dominated the lucrative top of the single-aisle market in battles against Boeing's MAX 9. Boeing's executives last said in October that its schedule for the MAX 10, which calls for the jet to be certified and the first aircraft delivered in 2024, is still on track. Safety will dictate the certification timeline for the MAX 10, the FAA said in a statement, confirming type inspection authorization. The MAX 10 has so far logged more than 400 flights and almost 1,000 flight hours during Boeing's test program. Boeing's MAX 7, the smallest entrant of the 737 MAX family, is still awaiting FAA certification expected by the end of 2023, first deliveries from this year to 2024, the company announced in July. Engineers will conduct a series of tests in one single flight, like how the plane performs with different centers of gravity. During production, engineers found the 737 MAX 10's extra-long fuselage, which was extended to give airlines space for more passengers, was so long that it could experience a tail strike during takeoff. To combat this, Boeing created a compression system in the landing gear that adds 9 inches of height to give the plane enough takeoff clearance. The announcement comes amid a recent shift in fortunes for the Seattle-based aircraft manufacturer, which saw it sweep up nearly 300 aircraft orders at this year's Dubai Air Show, including 45 MAX orders from Sun Express and 20 from Ethiopian Airlines, a firm endorsement of Boeing's return to industry dominance. Speaking to Bloomberg at the air show, CEO Mesfin Tasew addressed the potential controversy with the order following the crash of Ethiopian Airlines Flight 302 in 2019. "We believe we've checked and confirmed that the design defect of that aircraft has been fully corrected by Boeing. We've renewed our confidence in that aircraft." The 737 MAX 10 is the largest plane of the single-aisle 737 MAX family, with a seating capacity of between 188 and 204 and a length of 43.8 meters, though the plane has the smallest range of the group at 3,100 nautical miles. The aircraft has already been popular with airlines ahead of its launch, with Ryanair placing an order for up to 300 of the planes in May in an order worth around $40 billion.